Alright, gonna give Panda his morning meal. Got him on the raw food diet here. Went to the local market, got some chicken. Couple of chicken legs, or sorry, one chicken leg, couple of chicken feet, and some liver and heart. The liver and heart are his least favorite, so he might actually bypass it because we've been overdoing it on the table scraps because we're on vacation and we like to spoil him. So this is the raw food diet we have him on. It's based on Ian Billinghurst's Give Your Dog a Bone. It's the B.A.R.F, B.A.R.F, biologically appropriate raw food diet. If you're interested, check it out, see if it's right for you. We do about 90-10. We still feed him some commercial dog food. It's about 90-10. We just supplement his food with commercial dog food. It's not the end-all be-all diet, but I've definitely noticed his health has improved since we got him on this diet. He's bulked up a bit. His energy levels are better. So yeah, check it out if you're interested in the raw food diet. Panda here is a English Staffordshire Bully Terrier. We adopted him about a year ago. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, he just ate up the liver. He was hungry. Oh, you want to go over there and eat it, huh? Camera shy. How's that, buddy? Yes, dogs can chew bones. They can chew and digest bones. They evolved to do that. That's why they have those strong jaws, at least part of the reason. It's cooked bones you don't want to give them. That cooking the bones changes the consistency, and that's when they can splinter and cause digestive problems. Was that good? Was that good?